Good morning, guys. This is Jared with ProfilesThatPOP. Today's profile pop-up is for Karthik. Now, just taking a look at this, I got a lot that I like to see here. You've got a nice background graphic saying job search qualification. That gives us a clue as to what you're interested in and what you want to be doing. You talk about organizational abundance, operational pain points. Now there I start to get a little confused, and we're going to dive into this in a second here. But I also see hashtag O&O. So, one thing quickly, I want to jump in here. Picture is a little bit blurry, could be better. You could also even keep the same picture maybe and try it out. There's a free tool that will remove the background. Now, looking at this, I want to back out a second. Because that picture is a little bit busy and a little bit grainy, it's hard to make out you, and also with a name like yours that's a little bit more common, you've got some trouble here getting, standing out essentially. But the great news is your name is short the way it is, and maybe you did that on purpose. Therefore, you get almost four full, complete words in your headline. Now, again, though, back to my point, that headline, I'm reading that and I'm still wondering, okay, you solve these problems, these pain points, make a team grow, superpower, organizational abundance. I'm left wondering, well, what is it you're going to do, actually, for me? If, let's say, I'm a hiring manager, let's say I'm a person who, a client, whichever it is, right? You need to be very clear in what that headline is asking or stating. So then you look at your about section. Do you want to increase your profits? Well, sure, who doesn't? So now that sounds like you're talking to companies. Ease your recruitment and operations? Okay, recruitment and operations. That's the first time I'm seeing that. Add value to your business. Well, who doesn't want to add value to their business and may be more attractive? So just that little snippet though there, I'm thinking, okay, is that what you meant by operations? You're talking about recruitment, you're talking about improving efficiencies, operations, a little bit of both, ease, increasing profits, adding value. Just that little snippet, guys, keep in mind, that may be all you get. You make a great comment, people start to see a few words, they're going to see just the first 4 or 5 words of your headline, and are they drawn into your profile? Even if they get to the profile, then do they look at this and do they know, oh yeah, I want to click on see more or tap on see more and understand more what this guy is about. Now, the other thing is, I'm going to jump right to it because it's very important. How are you getting found? You've got hashtag O&O as your current company. So that right there is helping you get found with the hashtag. If someone puts in a search term for operations manager hashtag O&O, that's going to help you get found. I'll tell you that right now. That's the way you're doing it right there. Is it's going to help with that. But I look at all those terms and I wonder, well, what is it that you exactly do, and what have you been doing for 5 months, and what is it? How does it tie to your last position? That's how a recruiter is going to look at this, guys. They're going to come in here and they're going to look at this, and they're going to look at your current position, that top one, and they're going to look at the second one. And they're going to look for a tie. So they're going to open this up and they're going to say, okay, retained 95%, 30 to 65% hiring costs, directed 30 remote recruiters. Okay, this guy knows recruiting. He's been doing it for 4.5 years now, and client services. Now, I'm not sure what he's trying to say that he's doing or that he's looking to do. You'd have better luck. And here's my question to you, Karthik. What are you getting found for in your searches? If you put in a search, is it recruitment VP? Because I bet you're doing pretty well for that, but maybe that's the simple thing that you want to be saying that you want to be in your current position, that top one there. But making it more consistent not only helps us understand the second we see it, it's going to help you rank higher in the search results. So I spent 3 minutes on just talking about that. I think that's pretty darn important, and it helps with everything here. You had some really good results, some metrics in there. You've got, you had the full 50 skills, which is wonderful. You've got some recommendations here, and that's great. One of the things I'm noticing here is you customized your URL, but with you don't have the dash and the V. It might be harder to get found on Google, and competition. So unless you like that, you want these people that are here, you want them being seen, maybe you do. I don't know. That's also your choice. Anyway, guys, I hope that helped Karthik, and I hope it helped other people. If it did, please let us know in the comments. Thanks so much. Have a great one.